Hello and welcome to our first step of our professional mass modeling tutorial. We open our step 1 file. Here we see we already imported a site plan. We want to create our first mass model over here. So we switch into the 3D view. We zoom in a little bit. Switch in our massing and site tab. And select here in place mass. Mass 1, okay. We use the pick lines tool to create our first mass. We move over here. With the tab button, we select the boundaries of our mass. Now we click on Create Form. And our mass has been created. Here we can adjust the height of our mass. We can also change our height by using the temporary dimensions. Put in here 15 meters. First of all, we move our surface. We can also move points. With our tab button, we select a point over here to move the point. We select here our edge and move our edge. Now we are done with that. We are going to create the mass out of our top surface. We select our top surface. Click Create Form. And here you see our second mass has been created. We can adjust the height of our new mass. But we are only limited in changing the height because the lock symbol is activated. If we deactivate our lock symbol, we can also move our surface. Move it to the right. Now we change the height of our mass by using the temporary dimensions. Put in here 60 meters. That looks cool. Now we'll show you some more tools to modify your mass. We select the Scale tool. We check if we have graphical activated. We also have the possibility to use the numerical function. Rotate our mass a little bit. And we scale it to about 30 meters. Now we want to rotate our surface. Click Rotate. And we rotate our surface. That's an easy way how to create twists. We use the Ctrl-Z shortcut to undo our action. Now we also want to rotate our top surface in our west side view. We select our top surface, switch into the west side view. We use the Rotate tool. We rotate that surface about 30 degrees. Now we're done with that, we switch back in our 3D view. For editing complex masses, we recommend you to use the working plane function. To set your working plane, we click on Set. We set our working plane on that surface over here. Click it. If you want to see where your working plane is set, you can click on Show. And to get an even better view of your working plane, you can activate the viewer. Now we want to create an entrance area by creating a void. We draw a rectangle. We select our line chain. Click on Create Void. We deselect Show. And we'll now modify our void. We use the tab button to select our void. Once we have the void selected, we want to select one surface of our void. We have now the possibility to modify our void by using a local coordinate system. We want to use a project-related coordinate system. So we press the spacebar. And we move our surface to the right side. Click somewhere else. And you see our new building. We are now going to finish our mass. And our mass has been created successfully. That's it for our first step. And in our second step, we will show you some more tools how to create masses.